Please throw it. Yes. It's okay. Which one do you like? Hi, can I order? Thank you. Okay. Yeah. Go. You're here again. Hello. Mina, come here na. Yeah. Okay, which one you put?
I like to put it here.
Okay, can you put it there? Mina, how about you? Can you put it here? Oh, it's open already, Tyler. You just need to pour it, to put it there. Thank you. Very good. Yeah, put everything. Yes. Yeah.
More sprinkles. More sprinkles. No more.
No more.
And to that.
Here, yes. Okay, I will tell you there are 2 buttons to press. One will press M1, one will press start. Who will press M1? Okay. Alright, Mina, can you press start? Let's start. Okay.
Wow. It's boiling.
Yeah.
It's boiling will happen. Yeah. But what's the last time?
Please throw it. Okay, how about you? Can you get one? Throw here. It says plastic. Yes. I have to move you here away from the... Enough na. Okay. It's hot. Yes. I'm hurrying up. You have to wait for it to cook. It's so yummy. This one is bean sprouts. Yeah. Mina likes sprouts.
Me too.
You also like sprouts, yeah. Oh, enough na. Okay, one more. Sige. Be careful, it's hot.
Can I help anything?
You can help with some, yeah. Okay, just...
You can hold it.
Okay.
You will hold this.
Okay.
And then you will cut.
Okay.
Move there to the ground.
Okay, just one last. Okay, let's go. Thank you. Very good, both of you now. You can sit down. Alright. Yes.
I will help.
Experiment.
You can watch Tyler so you know how to do it. Yeah.
Wow. There, naging face.
Okay. Can you let Tyler do it? Alright. You put the shells here and then you put the...
So, ang chicken na doon. You're still going to make asawa.
Okay.
So far out.
We'll just move it here. So you stay together.
Thank you for that.
Okay, you're welcome.
What?
It's okay. Alright. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Okay na your alcohol? Okay, good. Yeah, sorry, alcohol again. Which one do you like?
or this. I like the coffee.
Hi, can I order?
I like the TV.
Wow, okay.
Yeah. Yes, please.
Have you made up your mind, baby, Mina? Okay. Your turn next. Your turn. Which one? You point, baby. That one. Okay. 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 Thank you. Continue to eat your ramen, right? Yes.